Chapter 6, application of derivatives, increasing and decreasing functions. Now, if the graph, this is increasing function, the graph is increasing. If the graph is continuously increasing, no break, here it is break, here it is break, this is called strictly increasing function. Strictly increasing function. If the graph is like that, this is decreasing function. If the graph is continuously decreasing, it is strictly decreasing function. Strictly decreasing function. If the graph is like that, it is neither increasing nor decreasing. यहां तक इंक्रीज हुआ, फिर डिक्रीज हुआ, डिक्रीज हुआ, डिक्रीज हुआ, फिर इंक्रीज होना स्टार्ट हुआ. दिस इज नाइदर इंक्रीजिंग nor decreasing. Now see here, I will use, there are two methods to decide increasing and decreasing function. I will use using derivative method. How will you represent mathematically? Now see here, if in increasing function, let f be a function on interval ab. If f dash x is greater than or equal to 0, it is increasing function. If f dash x greater than 0, it is strictly increasing function. In this, let f be a function on interval AB, on interval AB, then f dash x less than or equal to 0, it is decreasing function. If f dash x is less than 0, it is strictly decreasing function. Now there is one more case, that is critical point. What is critical point? In that case, f dash x does not exist. F dash x does not exist. Yeah, f dash x is equal to 0. Now I will tell you how to find the increasing and decreasing function. So write down method to find out the function on the intervals increasing or decreasing. Method to find the intervals, the function is increasing or decreasing. Method to find the function is increasing or decreasing. Method to find the function is increasing or decreasing. Now see here, number 1, let the function let the function f be fx on interval ab. Let the function be fx on interval ab. Second step, find f dash x. Find f dash x and using f dash x is equal to 0, find all the points which satisfying the given interval, that is a and a to b. If interval is not mentioned, then consider r, उसको क्या ले लीजिएगा, रियल नंबर, that is minus infinity to infinity. Now third point, arrange all the points, that is arrange all the points in ascending order. Arrange all the points in ascending order, that is x1 x2 सारे points को किस में रख दीजिए, ascending orders में, xn. Fourth step, find the value of check f dash x, that is you have to check f dash x sign. If in the intervals a x1 x2 x3 dash xn b, check the sign of f dash x. Fifth, if the sign of f dash x is positive, function is strictly increasing. If the sign is positive, function is strictly increasing. If f dash x is negative, function is strictly decreasing. This is the method to calculate